Arteck portable car jump starter is more than a car starter. You can actually jump your car 40 times without plugging it into the wall. It is the car starter. It has heavy-duty clamps and cables and a 2,000 amp peak current, so you can start cars like mine, which is a V8 engine. It's also an external battery charger, so if the power goes out in a hurricane or a storm or whatever, you can charge your phones, your tablets, or other devices up to 5 volts, 9 volts, 12 volts via the Quick Charge 3.0 USB. This unit has a 2-year warranty and friendly customer service. The Arteck comes with a really nice, durable, kind of rugged case here that feels like it can keep the contents safe. Warranty claim right on there. It's good that they have confidence enough in their product to actually put their warranty claim email address on here. Nice little carry red strap here. I like the black and the red accents. Matches the GT350 colors of red and black, as you can see on the hood. Inside you got your manual and you got some jumper cables and some connectors, some various types of connectors, which connects to a USB, so you can power things like your cell phones, tablets, and things like that. I also like that it has the QC pass sticker in there and it has the date on there. Then you open up this flap here like this and there's the unit. Pretty sleek and good looking, very small for the amount of power that this has, 2,000 amps. Okay, so on the end here we have our engine start plug there, so you just lift up this nice rubber protective cover and plug that in and put the jumper cables on your battery so you can start your car. You also have a couple of USB ports here. They're both outputs, and this is actually a nice feature. It's a USB 3. It also has a built-in flashlight, which is pretty cool, so you can see in emergencies or if your car breaks down at night. Push the red button here to start it. I like that it tells you that you have, in my case, 100% battery power right now, so it'll tell you how much you have left. Pretty awesome feature. And again, the thing is, it's so small given the power that this has here. Start current is 1,000 amps, peak current is 2,000 amps. Okay, so what better way to give a review than to show you that I am now powering my camera, which is on my Galaxy Note 5, as I record this with this device, and you still have room for another device as well. So if the power goes out or whatever and you want to recharge your phones or your game systems or what have you, or even run them straight off this battery pack, you can do that. Let me tell you, I live in the tri-state area, and something like this is a godsend when we have windstorms and lose our power, or hurricanes, or blizzards, or thunderstorms. We're out of power for sometimes 8 hours, sometimes 3 days. Something like this is awesome. This unit is completely recharging 4 devices simultaneously: iPad, Android phone, iPhone, and my computer. That is awesome. So why did I get this? I got this because I have a 2018 GT350, which I'm sitting in right now, which is a very powerful car. It's a V8 engine. It has 526 horsepower, and it's a 5.2 liter V8 engine, which is not very easy to start. And recently I had left something on in my car and I killed my battery. Here's what that looks like. I push the button to start it. So in summary, what I like about this is again, it's very portable, very light, and very powerful, especially for its size. I like that it has that digital readout, which is still 100%, even though I've been charging my phone while I'm making this video here. I like that it's red and black. It's just a good looking unit to have, especially in a sports car like this. Obviously, you can jumpstart a powerful car with this with 2,000 amps. And I also like that it has a built-in flashlight. Pretty nice and bright LED light. Another awesome feature is that it automatically turns off. You don't even have to hit the switch. The Arteck 2,000 amp car start charger, 5 stars.